This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Edward Charles Beaker. You will love the Sanibel floor plan by LGI Homes. Located in the beautiful community of Ballentrae, this spacious home features a 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is 1,869 square feet with a 2-car garage. Included in this beautiful home are energy-efficient stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, covered patio, oversized landscaped and fenced lot. This gorgeous community is surrounded by world-class golf clubs and located just 20 miles from downtown Tampa. From sports arenas, museums and a theater district to world-class shopping, dining and an unbeatable nightlife, there is something for everyone just a short drive away from home. In addition to this phenomenal location, Ballentrae offers neighborhood amenities and community pool.